Today we are going to wash a car and I'm demonstrating on my Nissan Leaf. I have been washing my cars for the last 25 years and at one point I was a detailer for a dealership as well. Washing a car is a very simple task, but there is a way and a wrong way, so there are some things you want to keep in mind. First, we are going to use a quality soap formulated for car wash applications, a bucket, a designated car brush. Rinse out the bucket before use because dirt, dust can settle while sitting in the storage area. Fill up the bucket with water and use the recommended soap amount. Rinse loose debris off from your vehicle with running water before beginning the washing process. Begin washing from the top down. Washing your car regularly can protect your investment and looks like new all the time. It is suggested to wash your car in a shade or a garage if it's possible, or early morning and afternoon hours when the sun is not as hot and strong. If you have to or want to wash your car on a sunny day, make sure you rinse your soapy water off in sections before it dries on your vehicle. I'm using a very soft sponge on areas where I can't reach easily with the brush, and it is much easier to clean the wheels as well. Use one sponge on a body and one for the wheels. After the vehicle is fully washed, I rinse it one more time before start drying it off with a microfiber towel. down the door jambs, it is important. If you decide to use tire shine, you have to wait until the tires are completely dry before apply it. If you want to keep the paint looking as good as on a new car, never take your vehicle to a car wash. Once everything is clean and dry, I use Rain-X on all windows to improve visibility on rainy days. If you never tried it, I'm really suggesting to do that so you won't be disappointed. As a reference, I want to show you this picture. This is my previous car after 7 years, only hand washed every 2-3 weeks using this very simple, easy, inexpensive technique. If you like the video, please subscribe and you never miss my featured videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.